How to change clip speed in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Right-click on your video and select Retime Controls, or just press Ctrl R. Now we have these retime controls on the video which we can use. Move the cursor to the top right corner of the video until you see this icon, then click and drag to the left to increase the video's speed or drag to the right to slow the video. Here I drag to the left and increase my video speed to around 250%, which is 2.5 times faster than my original clip. You can also change the speed of a part of the clip and not the entire clip. Move the playhead to the start of the position you want to change the speed. Click on the drop-down and select Add Speed Point. Move the playhead a little forward and click on Drop-down and select Add Speed Point. Drag the top handle to the left to increase the speed of only the middle clip and not other clips. To reset the speed of the middle clip, from the drop-down in the middle clip, select Reset to 100. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.